project-based learning.
Project-based learning.
Project-based learning.
We study in small groups and I have the chance to talk to the professor if I have doubts.
Lecturers are there to teach me while also doing research.
I'm currently also doing my working student. I can see the really great opportunities to have the jobs after graduation.
Instead of just learning with theory, you explore real-world problems.
To learn something in a practical sense.
Do a presentation in front of people that are quite high in certain companies.
To talk to professionals on the field.
And learn how to work together with companies.
We worked with Hela Aglaya and we worked on a 3D printer. We learned how we can generate algorithms through AI, speed up the generation of prototypes. We worked with a third company, which is Global Goals.
We promoted sustainability
and developed a project for Expo 2035.
The project that we worked on was an AI that predicts emissions.
You have a case study, you can get experience, indirect experience from that problem. The steps we need to learn, how to solve that problem.
There's very different ways companies try to work together with you. Some give you a lot of resources. There's always something that you will learn out of it.
Also build networking with other companies. We meet with the CEOs here. That actually helps me to learn how to actually make it valuable insights and what I can bring to the table.
So XU has taught me how to present in front of companies. And that also works in interviews when you're trying to sell yourself. So the chances are pretty high.